In this video, you learn how to connect ChatGPT with Canva, so let's get started. First off, you have to navigate to the left bar and click on GPTs. Right here you have to look for Canva. Right now you can also see it here at the bottom under Future, but if it's not there, you can just type Canva in. There are a lot of fake ones as well, but you have to choose the one at the top, then click on it and click Start Chat. Right now, you can ask Canva within ChatGPT a question. So let's just pick this one. Highlight my favorite hiking trail in a Facebook post. And now it's asking me to add some details, so let's do that. Make it very simple. Right now it will say talking to connector, and what you'll have to do is click on confirm. Then it'll say talking to chatgpt.in.conf.com canva.com. Now we'll have to wait a little bit. And here it will say, here are 2 simple and peaceful Facebook post designs to highlight your favorite hiking trail. So right now it pulled a design from Canva, and within ChatGPT it made those 2 options. That's how you connect Canva with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.